Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just another Sneha and today I will be sharing with you guys 10 do's and don'ts which you should keep in mind if you have acne prone skin. Even if you don't have acne prone skin, still I would really appreciate if you watch this video till the end so that you can avoid those unwanted, irritating, ziddi, bin bulai mehmans in future. Guys, you can completely trust me on these tips because I myself suffered from severe acne at one point in my life, and these small tips made a huge difference to my skin. I won't say it is completely flawless and crystal clear right now. It breaks out once in a while, but it is million trillion times better than whatever it was before. Start the video with the don'ts first. First don't is do not pick, prick, poke Mr. Pimple, because if you do that, you may introduce new bacteria from your fingers into the zit. Don't is do not scrub your face if you have excessive acne on your face. The third don't is do not wash your face a lot, like 2 to 3 times is more than enough. Fourth don't is keep your hands away from your face. Avoid touching your face again and again. Fifth tip is avoid using dirty makeup brushes and beauty blenders. If you're using beauty blenders and makeup brushes, make sure you wash them thoroughly, you disinfect them properly. I prefer using my fingers for blending my BB creams or foundations, whatever it is. But if you're using beauty blenders, then make sure you wash them properly. The sixth don't is do not stress. This may sound a bit funny, but studies reveal that stress can trigger breakouts and it can even make existing acne issues worse. The seventh don't is do not experiment a lot with your skin with new chemical products. The eighth don't is do not put toothpaste as a spot treatment on your zits because it may do more harm than good to your skin. Don't is for girls, especially if you have excessive acne, avoid keeping bangs and flicks because उससे आपकी स्किन की एक्ने बहुत ज़्यादा वर्स्ट हो सकती है. Don't is guys, avoid oily food because acne is caused by excessive sebum production, as you all know, so avoid eating more oily food. So knowing about the don'ts, now let us talk about the things which you should do if you have acne prone skin. First do is wash your hands before washing your face. Many a times what we do is on the tap and start splashing water on our face, but that is so wrong. You have to make sure your hands are super clean before washing your face. Use a gentle face wash on your face which suits your skin type. Third thing which you should religiously follow if you have acne prone skin is that wash your face before sleeping. The next thing is very cliche guys, you have to drink lots and lots of water because water not only helps in clearing your skin up, it also gives you the additional glow. Do is wash your pillow covers, bed covers regularly. When you're taking a head bath, make sure you wash your face at the end. Seventh do is keep an eye on your diet because whatever you eat eventually shows on your skin. So if you eat healthy, your skin will be healthy. Eighth do is clean your skin after exercising. Make sure you wash your face properly after exercising. The ninth do is follow a weekly pamper routine for your skin. Use a DIY mask. I'm suggesting you guys a DIY mask because they do not have any side effects. So the last do is make it a habit of cleaning your mobile screens regularly. These were the 10 do's and don'ts which I follow myself for a clear skin, and I promise you will definitely see visible results in your skin. So before ending the video, I would like to announce the names of our 2 lucky subscribers for this week. First lucky subscriber is Ritu Bansode and second one is Miss Shweta Shinde. So Shweta and Ritu, lots of love to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting the channel. Virtual Jadoo ki Jhappi to you guys, and we'll be announcing the next 2 lucky subscribers in the next video, so make sure you stay tuned. And that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel in the next one. Bye.